Ready?
Yeah. Chris got to do some custom exhaust.
Woo! So I want to save that exhaust tip because
it's carbon fiber.
it's carbon.
It's carbon fiber.
And it likes, you know, it goes with the car. This is what the car needs.
Yeah, well, we got to redo this exhaust
10
because
horsepower.
it is not kosher.
No.
So we got to cut it off.
Trying to make it straight, maybe stick out a little bit more.
Yeah, just stick it out. Dude, do it like Japanese style where if it goes like,
Oh my god.
that'd be hard.
We'll just chop like a section and just make it go.
No, you know how they have those exhaust ticks that like just stick out like that?
Yeah.
Dude, that'd be freaking. Let's try that.
Well, hella try that.
All right, dude, go chopping.
Jesus Christ.
Maybe that's why. You do the twist method?
Yep.
There we go.
Everything's light.
Right, it's carbon, that's why.
Dude, it's what does that say? Racing? 3D racing? No.
Right. 3A.
3A racing? So maybe so.
I thought that's American racing. Dude, did you do it like that? That'd be hard, dog. Oh, oh. Yeah?
I'm gonna have to use that as a template to make the new exhaust.
Yeah.
For sure.
All right, we out here. We are doing rice cooker prep. Engines in, suspensions in. You guys can see. Oh, dude, with the colors, with the lime green and the yellow. Got a traction bar. Got a header. We're actually, right now, we're building an exhaust for the rice cooker. I'm gonna teach Chris how to weld, how to MIG weld, and build his own exhaust. So we kind of had a template of this monstrosity. We have a template to go off of, and I have a whole bunch of this exhaust piping, 2.5 inch. It was actually online. I got like, it was only like 130 bucks, and it came with like literally enough piping to make like 3 exhausts. So we have the mock-up here of the exhaust, the 2.5 inch piping right here. I mean, we could, you know, we could have just went like straight pipe, dump out in the center, but you know, I don't know how they would feel about that at the track. I don't know if they'll like kick us out or something like that.
Because that, like, you know, completes the rest of the look, dude. That kind of...
Bro, it'd be like a mystery fart can sound. Like, where is it coming from? Like, we just put it right here?
It's gonna be pretty obnoxious, though, I'm not gonna lie.
All right. Okay. So, go ahead and ground the table. All right, so I'm gonna do the settings for you because I don't want to confuse you. Do is like follow a path right here, and I just need you to just try to just make a line first. You don't have to make any patterns. Just make a straight line,
Okay.
right? And just go steady, bro. Just go steady, bro.
Is there like a special way to hold it, or?
So what I want you to do is okay, wait. So what I like to do is use my other hand as like a prop, like you're playing pool. You understand what I'm saying? All right, go ahead, Chris. First weld. See how you did? Oh yeah, forgot. The gas is off. First weld, coming up. How'd it go?
Still a little fast, but...
So yeah, you need to, no, actually you need to slow down. It's too thin. It's too thin. In actuality, the thickness of that one's okay.
Oh, okay.
So go ahead, try it again. pretty good. See how that is?
Yeah.
Sweet. Let's see, let's see. Not bad. You did a little joint there. Look at that. That's not bad at all. I mean, there's still some holes. You know what I'm saying? Well, it's still arced. This shit's all bent up, but
Yeah.
look at that. Look at that.
First time too. It's pretty cool. It's pretty fun.
It's pretty fun. Do maybe like 1.5 inches and stop and turn it. 1.5 inches, stop, turn it. Because it's gonna be hard for you to go like that. So you're gonna start at here, and then you're gonna go down.
Okay.
Not bad, this. Not bad. Dude, that's gonna be tough because see this cutout? It is not gonna do it. We're gonna see because this cutout was is for the exhaust supposed to come out on this side, but you see how it's it's not gonna cut. It's not gonna.
Gotta go over.
Dude, just bazooka style, just stick it up, upset, like that.
I like something like this or. Like the new car. Right down the middle.
Dog, we gotta do it, bro. That'll be hard as a motherfucker.
Damn it. What if we come out the side? Damn.
Side exit.
Yeah, but I wouldn't be able to slam the car like I want to. To the ground. God.
Oh, we gotta finish the roll. Just do it like that on the side.
Oh, muffler. We don't need a muffler.
I know, right? Boom, 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 boom.
We turbo this thing and we two-stroke.
That's gonna be dope, dude. That'd be loud as hell. Nah, we'll finish it.
The old man I work with, I was like, yeah, I learned how to weld yesterday. He's like, yeah, shit's hard, huh? I was like, no, not really. He's like, yeah, not the welding part, but setting up the machine, right? And I was like, yeah, it's digital. He's like, oh.
Oh, Carlos is jumping into it. Oh,
Yeah, man.
we can do it all. You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah, of course.
You doing it all? There we go. We got the. Just bring it out, bro. Yeah, put it all up on there. There you go. There's a shelf right there.
I gotta use what we got. You know what I mean? Like
man.
Tetris.
You like that helmet, right? Yo, if you use that helmet versus that helmet, that helmet is HD, bro.
Yeah,
HD quality,
nice.
brother.
This is nice.
HD quality.
Just gotta figure out the tightening of it, but
Oh yeah, you're good, bro.
it's nice.
See that real quick? Look at that. Somebody tell me take a look at this. Pretty
Yeah.
good hold. Looks good.
Oh yeah, it'll hold.
Bro, you ever seen one of those?
No.
The
I've seen
assault.
them online, but
Is this? You
this
put
is
salt right there.
so sick.
And I
dude.
assassinate
So-
freaking flying insects with those things.
He's a fly killer. So you pump it. I wanted to see the pressure of this on a flimsy piece of paper. Let's find out. So you push on the safety and then
You cocked it?
Yeah, she's ready to go. Dude,
What?
that's not
Wait,
yeah, bro. It has no backing, and it still
Wow.
goes right through that sucker.
Bro, let's look for some moths
I
or
need
something.
something thicker. Oh, got one.
Moth? You
On his
missed.
wing. He's going down.
You go down? I need to.
Look, his wing landed right here.
Shut up, Paul.
Swear, that's it. Look. That's it.
No way. That's crazy. That's a good aim, bro. Dude.
A little bit.
Out here with the boys, finishing up the cooker.
We're going out.
The cooker.
Put a piece of tape over this and put
Let me
rice cooker. Time we turn on the bottle.
I know
Turn on the
Chingo
bottom.
Bling.
Don't worry, you won't.
The plan is
dude, nitrous ain't gonna help you, dog. I'm gonna f all y'all up.
I like it. I'm not saying shit.
This is gonna be pretty epic.
I'm not saying shit. All I know is y'all better keep up. I've been driving my car for a long time.
Sure, I never drive the right. I don't know, Carlos. I got some.
Carlos drives hella good straight. You know what I'm saying?
No. My orange one. I dailied that bitch for a long time. I know
Yeah,
that
but
car.
you haven't dailied it. In a long
I
time.
mean, I'm sure you can park the car hella fast and nice and neat and everything.
I see what you're saying. I got you.
Dude, the
bro.
cooker's gonna cook both you fools.
The overpowered asshole is talking
What are you talking about, bro?
Don't give
Stock
me-
motor, bro.
Listen, bro. Listen here.
I got stock motor, bro.
Yeah.
That's stock
Stock my ass.
stock motor, bro.
That's a
Roll cage.
That's like saying, let me see, what kind of good comparison can I come up with that won't offend anybody? Yeah.
What kind of racist joke are you gonna say?
No, bro, like, how is this stock? Yeah, yours is stock. So is mine. The only difference is
Right.
you're mixing extra 50 freaking horsepower
Just
than
saying,
mine. Stock.
I'm just saying.
I don't think power matters at this point. It's all about the driver.
Shut up, Forza champion. That's
I've
my-
been practicing on Forza lately. Gary knows what's up.
He said, Gary.
This fool said, yeah, I've been practicing on Forza. It's gonna help you at the racetrack.
Me and Gary have been going at it, bro.
Alright.
Where's that 17?
We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. You guys need to vote. Who you think gonna take everyone out? All you gotta do is have the fastest time. It's either gonna be me in my Civic hatch, Carlos in his Civic hatch, or Chris in the cooker.
You gotta forget about Gary. Don't forget about Gary.
Oh, Gary out there. Gary out there.
They're gonna meet.
They're gonna meet Gary.
They're gonna meet Gary. Gary's been a friend for a long time.
OG.
He's
If he
real
still lived in
cool.
Vegas, he'd be in the channel.
He's coming back.
He's
Maybe.
coming back.
You'll see. But you'll meet him. He's a cool guy. He's still gonna get his ass whooped.
You know what I'm saying?
Doesn't matter. But first startup coming soon. Trying to figure out what's going on with this thing. Hopefully it starts. She's got a VTEC head on it now, boys and girls. Check that out. Whoop, whoop.
I gotta put new tune in this.
Mike's gonna put the magic sauce in it.
You get to put.
Hey, don't tell Chris, but let's sabotage him.
Right.
Put a single cam tune in it.
No more yellow tune.
Okay.
Oh, bitch.
Careful. Rapage.
Damn.
Mike got raped by the rice cooker right
dude,
now.
that like hit the taint, like
What caught you? The seatbelt?
No, like the seat, like you know, like
The edge?
seats are so worn. They have fucking like a metal bar or some shit.
Jeez. We almost lost Mike to a Mugen rep seat. There it is. Hey, little bit of fuel make us start.
Oh, we doing? See, look, he doing the oil change. He doing it all right. He got new oil.
I got new oil.
He got new oil for his rice cooker,
Of course. Talking about Chris here.
right?
For
We gotta mount this exhaust.
You guys got the bolts?
No,
Where are the bolts I put on the
they're somewhere.
Did you guys
They're on the seat or something like that. Yeah, raise it up.
Exhaust is in. We're gonna get ourselves some weld-on hangers. That's right. We're not just putting hangers from the closet. They're actually exhaust hangers we're putting up. Trippy, huh? Oh, with the cross. Get him, Mike.
Right on my skin. Yes.
Right on. You dancing shoes?
I decided to get some. These are the same tires I went 11.7 on. So I decided to get them for all four
What are they?
corners.
What are they? What are they?
The Toyo R888 Oz, baby.
Hey, Proxy for the win. Proxy, what's up? How-tos, maggot.
Pull up skirt. Yeah, listen to this. We're gonna listen to this.
Oh
This is
man.
my favorite part. Watch, look at me. Mother! I think that's so cool.
That's that auto drop. I like it.
You like it?
I like it. Oh, that's solid, dude.
That's good. Look. Feel that.
Chris,
Nice.
this heat shield right here, you might not.
No.
Oh, there's 10 mils.
No.
Oh, but it's gas tank.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I want to keep it on.
Yeah, so you might tap that a few times. Nothing crazy though. That's all it is.
Crazy. We got it, baby.
You know what I mean?
We
Well,
got it, baby.
then
Oh, no, do it from take it from the other side, like from the outside. Look how sick that looks, bro.
That's right. It's hard to see in here, but can you guys see this magic? There is. It's still.
Yes!
It's still smoking. It's a smoking gun.
Right? Look at this. Looks freaking dope. Look at that. Slammed. It's sick. It's salami.
I'm gonna have to learn how to go sideways again.
But let's see how like low that exhaust is on the thing.
Oh shit! Think about it.
Hold on.
Sick. You can't even see it.
Oh, it's like
Oh, it's perfect.
it's perfect, bro.
It's perfect. Yeah, it's perfect.
I want to hear this. I know. I want to hear this. You don't have to move. You can get out. Yeah, it's CRX. Whoa! See?
Oh my god.
Oh, damn!
Oh my.
By the way, guys.
Go, 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 go.
Come on, snowplow. Let's get it.
Ready?
Yeah. How's the rice cooker feel, man?
It handles like a dream.
It really does.
No, we're not even kidding,
No,
guys.
it handles great.
So good.
Like how we set it up.
Those max speeding rod shot coilovers are amazing.
Amazing. Like they really are.
I haven't even done an alignment on this thing, and it like literally handles like a dream. Like it's so
So
crazy.
he pulled out and he was like going all crazy, taking the turns. We were like, oh shit, he's gonna hit a truck or something. And then all of a sudden I jump in it to feel it out, and I'm like, oh man, I
Yeah.
see why he was taking the turns. Yeah, it handles.
Yeah, it's so
It's
so crazy.
solid.
It's
and
solid.
it's on the floor, dude. It feels like a go-kart, literally.
does.
It's like a go-kart.
It's cool.
Get it.
So,
All right, we need to get it aligned and everything.
do an alignment. And,
Yeah, just double check.
You don't look so hot in that thing.
I know, bro.
You know what I mean, Chris?
Killer.
No
Killer.
one's gonna be able to see me. I'm gonna level that thing out tomorrow.
Dang it!
Wow. Awesome. You're going to see us at the track next time, guys. Please like, please subscribe. Peace.